Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video in which we help new expats with all the information they need to make their life easier.
In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 things that you need to plan or figure out before relocating to a new country.
In case you like the topic of this video, please do hit the like button, and in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do it quickly.
Hi, I'm Shivani.
And I am Archit, and together we are Do Musafir. Let's start today's video.
Now, relocating is a big step in itself, and there are a lot of things that needs to be planned before doing that. While what to pack is one of the most important questions that haunts a lot of us, but don't you worry, because we have already created a video on the ultimate packing checklist that is going to help you plan your packing. So do check it out.
In this video, we will talk about another checklist that we have created for you that will help you move internationally in a very smooth manner. The first point on your checklist, your passports.
There are a few things related to your passport that should be updated beforehand. For example, it should not be close to its expiry date, your address should be correctly updated, in case you're married, the name of the spouse should be updated, etc. Believe me, you do not want to be in a situation where you are in a foreign country and your passport is expiring and then you have to run to and fro to the embassy to sort things out.
Item number 2 on our checklist is sorting out your financial and other accounts like bank account, policies, Aadhaar, DMAT, etc. Get your right email address and phone number updated with these accounts. Many of us have multiple phone numbers that we have used to create these accounts like bank account, with your investment broker, for your policies, etc. Ensure that you align everything to that one or two phone number that you intend to continue using when you move abroad.
Now this brings us to the third point in our checklist, and that is your phone number. We would highly advise you to switch to a prepaid plan in case you are using a postpaid plan earlier, because there is no point in continuing with it if you're not going to use it. So in our case, both of our Indian numbers are of Airtel and we do a monthly recharge of 99 rupees just so that we could receive our regular OTPs and other banking messages, etc.
In our fourth point, we go back to the bank accounts and policies that we were talking about, because everything related to finance is super important. Our suggestion is to create a tracker in which you are documenting everything. And by everything, we mean everything. What are the policies that you've invested in? What are their folio numbers, their login credential, including passwords, next date of payment, everything related to your investments. This will help you track everything properly, and in case you forget any detail, you can always refer to this Excel. In our tracker, we've also added the FDs that we've invested in, their maturity date, the next date of payment, the total savings that we have done till now.
I know you can get all this information in the different applications where you have invested, but it is super convenient to put all the details in one place and probably password protected so that only you and your spouse can access it. Now moving on to the fifth point in our checklist, and that is your debit and credit cards. Please do ensure that your credit cards and the debit cards are not nearing their expiry date. Kindly renew them so that you can easily make any sort of transactions in your home country.
In point number 6, we move away from finances to personal goods. In case you own a house that you intend to rent when you move abroad, evaluate the option of giving a power of attorney to avoid signature related issues. You may also want to evaluate the option of international cargo shipment to ship your goods like furniture, your vehicle, extra luggage, and so on. We will advise you to do your own research and evaluate this option carefully, because this is a costly option. By the way, we have linked some of the popular choices in the description box below.
Point number 7 in our checklist is for all my female friends. It makes no sense to carry all your important jewelry when you travel abroad. I would suggest that you choose the best pieces and put the rest of them in the bank locker or somewhere else safe.
In point number 8, we talk about your personal health. we will advise you to get a detailed blood and physical test done and ensure that everything is sorted. I know you have to get a basic health checkup done as part of your visa process, but it is always good to have a detailed one done as well. We will also advise you to get your eye test, your dental test, ear wax removal, etc. done before traveling. In case you wear specs, it is good to get 2 to 3 new pair of spectacles made before traveling, because there is a very high possibility that those will not be covered as part of the health insurance that you will purchase, and they are very costly in a foreign country. Also, we will advise you to look at the option of getting all the basic medicines that you will need from your home country instead of buying them in a foreign country.
Point number 9 in our checklist is that you complete all your documentations. In case you do not have your mark sheets, your birth certificate, your marriage certificate, etc., we would highly advise you to get them and carry them along with other important documents when you travel abroad.
At point number 10 on our checklist, we advise you to spend as much time as you can with your near and dear ones. Once you move abroad, you will get super busy, and it will be very difficult for you to go back to your home country in the initial few months or a year. So spend as much time as you can before you travel. Create as many memories as you can, because those memories will help you when you are in a foreign country, away from everybody and relying just on WhatsApp video calls.
So that's it, guys. With this, we have come to an end to our checklist. All these points are captured on your screen for easy reference. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much, guys, from the bottom of our heart for supporting our channel. We are now a family of 500 plus subscribers. Can you imagine? Thank you so much. Lots of love to all of you.
Thank you so much, everybody. And in case there is a specific topic that you would want us to cover, please do let us know in the comment section below. We will see you next time with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, stay healthy. Bye-bye.